Didn't think I was going to be at a foundry. When I started school and getting a job here, changed my entire career outlook.
I learned so much. When I came in, I really didn't know anything about occupational health.
I learned a lot of the labs I do at school, I saw them at the industrial level. I learned much about like industrial safety with all the PPE that you wear, like the uniform, so you're safe from like the molten metal that's around.
Being able to listen to the conversations they're having with other contractors and other engineers has helped me figure out how to communicate more effectively.
Being in an actual work environment and applying what you learn in the classroom.
I gained more soft skills communicating with different people from different departments.
I feel like I'm a lot more prepared to go into a position right out of college.
Everybody's so knowledgeable, like they want to teach you.
I think that it's kind of like a big family. Everyone's so nice, and I mean, just getting to talk with all the other interns too, people like in engineering that I would have never met before. It's cool how we all get to come together and work for a good company.
Tell them that they shouldn't feel as discouraged because there's a lot of people working here that they are willing to explain the whole process from the beginning.
Like they're giving you advice on how to do better.
You learn something new all the time, some piece of equipment.
My best advice would be to don't be afraid of asking these other guys questions.
And ask people what they do and get to know a little bit more about the foundry and what Waupaca does. They are very knowledgeable.
Just take the opportunity and learn from it, and don't be afraid to grow.
I find it hard to believe that you'll find an internship opportunity at a better place than Waupaca.